Good morning, everybody. It's Robb. Guys, today we're going to be talking about 3 different drinks I make every single morning. Been doing it for ages. The reason I'm making this video, some people ask me about Amla powder. How do I use it? And I told them I put it in one of my drinks, and they were interested. So I thought, instead of just doing one drink, do all 3 drinks I do every morning. First of all, the simplest one is I make coffee, regular coffee, but I make it in this container, and then I make iced coffee every morning. So this 1 tablespoon of coffee makes this carafe, and then I use it to make 2 cups of coffee. So I have it once a day, so this lasts me 2 days. And I don't use creamer, even though I like creamer. I just use the soy milk because it has a little bit of a sugar in it already. And after a while, I kind of got used to it. It's not bad at all. If you like iced coffee, it might be something you might be interested in. And then I put in the microwave a glass of green tea with just a little bit of ginger. And then in the late afternoon, I put this in the refrigerator in the morning, and then late afternoon I start having cold ginger tea, no sugar, and it's refreshing. The most interesting thing is the one I make with all of these ingredients. This is the Amla powder. If you go online, I'll leave a link to some of the studies that Dr. Greger has put on his channel about Amla powder. Allegedly, this stuff is good for everything. I mean, it's a super food. You can see around corners with it. Like, yeah, it will grow hair on the bottom of your feet. I mean, it does. I don't notice anything different, but since it's supposed to be so good for everything, I put just a little bit in every day. And this is an old spice container, and just about a teaspoon. And then I use something else. I learned about the cumin seed when the virus was going around, the COVID, and some people were using black cumin, and I did have somebody respond to one of the things I wrote one time. They said in the Quran, the Muslim people, they eat 7 seeds a day, and guarantees they'll go to heaven. Oh no, I guarantee they're going to live forever. I don't want to start any religious problems early in the morning, but this is supposed to be kind of strong stuff, and if it's 7 seeds will make them live forever, I figure, well, I probably should use more than 7. So I just use just a tiny bit. I figure this amount, it might not help, but I don't see how it could hurt. And I buy this particular brand. It's from Egypt. I think they've been doing it for a long time. So, yeah. Go to the source. Then I use some, these aren't cherry seeds. These are dried cranberries. Out of all the ingredients I'm showing you, these are the only ones I think have actually helped me, that I know for sure, because I used to wake up in the middle of the night and have to go to the bathroom all the time. And now I don't. But it took a long time to get to that point. Then blueberries. After the the almond powder, all the studies that Dr. Greger shows about blueberries are pretty wild. I mean, these are going to be dried. There's about 2 or 3 tablespoons. And they're going to soak for at least 12 hours. Preferably overnight, next day. And I put them in the mixer. And I add a little bit of chia seed. I figure it can't hurt. And finally, the last one I think is going to be a little organic powder. There's different brands. People like different ones. This is vanilla. The normal amount people use is 2 scoops, but I just use 1 scoop because since I'm adding so many other ingredients. Where is that lid? We're going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours and mix it up and have it as a blueberry shake with cumin seed and chia seed and organic powder and the Amla powder. So guys, those are the 3 drinks I have every single morning. and I thought you might be interested. And check out the links I'm going to leave about the cumin seed and the amla powder. And don't be thrown off by the almond powder because they use it for other things besides consuming. Some people use it for for hair treatments. Yeah, it kind of scared me at first because they're like also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla is an ancient fruit that is indigenous to the Indian subcontinent. The sour berry flavor balances well with yogurt, milk, and coconut cream for delicious smoothies, and can also be used for do-it-yourself beauty treatments. I need I need all the beauty I can get. Oh, okay. All right, guys. Those are 3 things I make every day. Thought you might be interested. Take care. See you out there.